Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, maybe leave a comment, even share with a friend. All those really help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, so there is a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, and all that fun information. But what is it? So today's product is some really awesome landscaping lights. Landscaping lights have come a long way since we bought our house, and they're really versatile with LED. And so what this is a 6-pack of mushroom style pathway lighting that has all the bells and whistles. It can connect to the internet, it can connect to your phone, it can connect to all those voice assistants, you can change the colors, all that fun stuff. So this is the box it's going to come in, and everything is very, very well packaged. And you're going to get, first off, there's going to be a box inside here, and this is going to have the metal caps. Now all this is made out of a nice strong aluminum metal here, so it's going to withstand up to the elements. Then you also have a nice metal stake here, and this is kind of clever here. So they include this little piece right here that you can step on to push it into the ground, which makes it really nice. And then you're going to get the stake itself, which is just going to slide in like so, and the cord comes out like that. And then this is just going to screw in on the top here, and there is your light, just like that. Now, in addition to the light itself, you of course are going to get a user manual that's going to tell you how to hook it all up and all the features that we're about to cover here. And then you get a little basically assembly, a QR code if you want to watch somebody else besides me set this up. But yeah, and then in addition to that, you are going to get the nice thick cable here that you will bury under the ground or in your flower beds, and will run from light to light. And it all has these nice little male and female plugs, and it all basically screws in nice and tight. That will keep it water from getting in there. And these cables are really, really thick. So it's all low voltage, but it's well made, so it's not going to be like immediately destroyed with a weed whacker, which is really nice in my case down here where I live. Then finally, you're going to get this little transformer right here. This is where you're going to need to plug it into an outlet, and then the first feed is there, and there is a little power button there. And as you can see, it is Intertech certified, so they have gone through the certified process. So before we go and hook it all up and show you what this thing looks at light, I want to kind of go over some quick specs here. The lights are 200 lumens, and they are natural kind of color is 2700 kelvins, but like I said, they are color changing. So you can set them to basically the warm, to white lights, to all the colors under the rainbow. If you use the app, you have access to 16 million colors. So for Christmas, you can make it Christmas themed. For Halloween, you can make it Halloween themed. Valentine's, make it red. You know, you can basically customize it however you want. It has multiple dimming options. So built standard option is the 20%, 60%, 100% dimming levels. And you can make that fluidly through the app itself. It connects to your internet via a 2.4 gigahertz signal. So make sure your router is capable of picking that up. It's pretty standard for things like printers and security cameras and all that kind of stuff. But it does need to be on that 2.4 gigahertz, not the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection. And like I said, it has that app, which I will include right over there in the corner. You should be seeing basically all the app features and settings and all that kind of information. Through the app, you can also set up scenes. You can time it to music if you're throwing a party. You can set up a schedule if you want it to turn on certain times, or if you just want it dusk till dawn. And you can just set up a timer itself. Now, of course, it's because it's landscaping light, right? So it's made to be outside. Well, is it going to handle up to the elements? Well, of course it is. It's got an IP65 weather rating, so it can hold up to rain, it can hold up to snow, it can hold up to all that kind of stuff. And like I said, the quality, it's got a nice metal quality, which I'm happy to see. Now, this transformer is a 36 watt adapter, and like I said, it is low voltage, so it is a 12 volt. And they lights only use 6 watts each, so you are not using a lot of Power here, you're basically lighting your yard less than a standard 60 watt light bulb, less than a 40 watt light bulb. So total length of the whole thing, if you use all this cable tight to end, you will be able to cover essentially 64.4 feet in length. And then each one of these cables is, you'll get basically 13 feet total is what it says, or sorry, the cable plug in is going to be the 13. Each one of these little guys, the total length of this is 8.2 feet is what it says. So let's go ahead and get this thing installed and show you what it looks like at night and all hooked up. So that way, if you are in the market for landscaping lighting, you know to get it yourself. Okay guys, they installed super easy. The lights are basically plug and play. They had plenty of cord length to space them out to the desired spots you want. I'm really impressed with how bright they are, and I love the fact that you can tweak the colors to basically set the mood that you want. Overall, it's been super rainy since I have installed them, and they have upheld great to the weather elements. They are really quality made in my opinion, so I'm really liking that aspect, and they put out a lot of light, but if it's too bright for you, you can also dim it down. So it really has all those features that you want, that you would really need in a landscaping path light. So overall, I am super impressed with them, and I really do recommend them. If there was something I didn't cover that you have a question or comment, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. So yeah, that's basically it. So until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.